All right. This is the last movement I was given by like a nice local watchmaker, and I have not tried taking this one apart and putting it back together yet. It's pretty cool, pretty fancy. It's Oris. It's a 712, and it has 17 whole jewels in it. So let's see what happens. This one's kind of neat. The normally the release is on the other side, but this one it's on the dial side. Look at that. So we just let all the tension out. See the balance wheel slowing down. So we're gonna flip this back around. And sort out a plan of attack here. That one's got a button to release the crown, so you just press in right here. And it allows you to get the winding stem and the crown out. Cool. Oop. Some really tiny screws to begin with. It's like a really big cover. It's got the setting lever and everything. It's all one massive piece. There we go. Let's get the cannon pinion off. There we go. We've got the yoke. Seems like the yoke is a little bit different on this one, so I'm gonna get these wheels out first. Ah, there we go. Oh, I see. So yeah, that whole piece is attached. And that goes all the way through. Over here. the winding wheel or the clutch wheel, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there's the yoke spring. Okay. Great. Okay. There we go. Great. Let's get the click off while we're on this side. And again, the long end of this spring goes closest to the ratchet wheel. Ooh. And there's a little end that sticks up as well, and that end that sticks up goes on like that. And there's the little click spring. Okay, so let's get the movement holder and flip this around and see what happens. Okay, let's start with the balance. Let's get that out of the way. Whoop, there we go. Didn't lose it off the table. It's fortunate. There we go. Perfect. There we go. All right, we've got it set in a safe place. And let's get the barrel bridge off here. I'm not at home, so this is a bit of a different setup than usual for this high quality production. There we go. And it looks like there's just a second screw on the, I guess this would be the train bridge or the, yeah. There's only one. And then the other two screw through it. So that's kind of, it's a little bit clever. It's nice, everything comes apart really nicely. It's like not too stuck together or anything. A lot of the other movements I've been working on have been pretty rough. They're all pretty sticky. Okay. there's the whole train bridge. You see, it's super nice shape. We've got the center wheel, the second wheel. Look at that, delightful. And that doesn't want to let go, but let's get the barrel out. I wonder why. Curious if it comes out with this whole bridge, so let's just see. I want to be quite gentle here, because if this wheel doesn't come up with this, then I can do some damage. It doesn't particularly seem like it. Oh, maybe it does. Aha! Oh yeah, it's definitely fixed on. So I wonder if maybe that gear is threaded on. There's a gear. I wonder if I can get it in focus. Nope. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, it comes out. It just fits quite snugly in there. Great. Or, apologies, that's the one I'm going for. There we go. And this lines up with the escape. So let's get the escape out. There we go. So tiny. Escape wheels out. Let's get the pallet fork off. That was in there very tight. There we go. There we are. Pallet fork. It's a unique little shape. Perfect. The ratchet wheel. Really interesting that it lays in there like that. Okay. Yeah, and there it is. Came apart quite nicely. There are some shock jewels in there. I'm not gonna mess around with those because it's just really hard and I don't want to do it yet. I'm gonna put this one back together in a bit and go from there.